Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Access Management. In the last video we saw how we can give a restriction to an unauthorized user for a menu. But today we will see restriction for a view on action. First is the menu restriction is completed. Second page is a model restriction. Select here target model like a lead or opportunity. Provided here for report. Hide report, it's not available. So selected here any other like a cell. In hide report, I want to hide report, quotation and order. Hide action, cancel. Available multiple views, activity, calendar, form, graph. But I want to hide list view and different urges, no duplicate, import, export. It's all allowed or hide into cell order, no chatter. Second one is a lead and lead in I want to hide spreadsheet. Let's see. Now go to Math Demo. Do refresh and see here directly display here Kanban view because list view is hide. Now open any order. Go to this action and see here only display PDF code. It means quotation order PDF report is removed. Also removed here total chatter and removed here cancel, archive, duplicate options. See here not display any options. Now go to CRM app. Go to list view. Go to these actions and see here just options for archive, unarchive, duplicate, delete because it's in not hide, only hide into CRM. So CRM in not display options. Next is a field restriction, but we will discuss in next video.